Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm going to be going over a review of plants for the biology test coming up, and this video is going to center on just kind of general plant information, and then it's going to focus in on basically the main phylums that it would probably be good to know. So obviously today we're going to be going over a test review for plants. So let's get right into it. For the cellular structure, plants are all eukaryotic. So they're all eukaryotic. They all have tissues. Some of them have organs. Um, Most of them have chlorophyll and other pigments. In terms of nutrition, so in terms of what they eat, basically, most of them are autotrophic. And if you don't remember what that is, that's when the organism makes their own food. So plants take in light to perform photosynthesis, and they make sugars, which go through cellular respiration and then make ATP. So they make their own energy, so that would be autotrophic. But some of them are heterotrophic, which I believe means that they eat other dead organisms, and then there's parasitic, which are just a few, but those eat and harm other living organisms. Now, in terms of reproduction, all of them reproduce sexually. So all of them reproduce sexually. So basically, this means they're going to use seeds, or not seeds. They're going to use pollen or cones or whatever it takes, but they're all going to reproduce sexually, which basically means you're going to get DNA from one place and DNA from another place, and those are going to come together and make this new organism. Organism with a combination of these two DNA. And in terms of motility, which basically is movement, obviously plants are sessile, which means they're planted in the ground and can't move. So that means that they cannot move. But it says in the book that some of the gametes are motile, which basically means they can move. What this is saying is that some of the seeds of these organisms can get distributed through wind or water or other natural forces like this. So the gametes seeds will move, not of their own accord, but through other environmental aspects. They will move. Now real fast, just to conclude this video, I'm going to go over several different groupings and phylums of the major plants that it might be useful to know. So in terms of the non-vascular phylums of plants, and non-vascular means that they don't have those organelles or parts that allow them to transfer the water and the minerals and that sort of stuff. So in terms of non-vascular, what you have is a phylum called Bryophyta, and this is equal to the mosses, alright? So this is basically your mosses. In terms of the vascular without seeds, so these do have vascular parts, but they don't have seeds. You have Pteridophyta, which are the ferns, if I can learn how to spell. And then in terms of the vascular plants with seeds, you have two important ones. In terms of the gymnosperms, which are non-flowering plants, so I'll abbreviate that. You have Coniferophyta, which are conifers. Basically, any plants that have pine cones or, cones and that sort of stuff would be a conifer. And then in terms of angiosperms are flowering plants. There's only one phylum, and it's Anthophyta. So this is going to have all your flowers and that sort of stuff. So these are the flowering plants. And this is the largest phylum, and it includes 2,400,000 organism. So it's quite impressive. It's quite important. So definitely know that one, know that one, know that one, know that one. The other ones are menial, and be familiar with them, but those are the important ones. So I hope this helps, guys, and let me know if you have any suggestions, comments, or questions. Thanks. Bye.